Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to talk about rug pulls and risks and an alternative that I am doing to never ever get rug pulled again. And so for those of you guys who are already in my Telegram channel, you already know about this opportunity. You're already invested in doing it. And for those of you who aren't or who are new here, please join my Telegram channel so that you can stay updated about my new investments and you'll be in the know and never get rug pulled again. So I want to talk about the risks of high risk platforms. The reason why these hourly platforms are around, they are high risk. That's why they're called high risk, high yield platforms, is because there's a lot of risk involved. We don't know who is behind these platforms. We are giving them our hard-earned money without a guarantee of making it back. They can say whatever they want. They can say that they're going to last for X amount of days, but you know what? We can't trust it because at the end of the day, we're putting our money inside of a platform and we don't have control over it. We're giving the creators of these platforms, who are just faceless people, we don't even know who they are, but we're letting them have all the control by giving them our money, and we have no control. They can tell us whatever, they could lie to us, they could say what they want, and we're not going to have any control here. So the best way to 100% guarantee that you will make a profit is to keep your money out of these platforms. Because at the end of the day, it is just kind of like gambling, because you don't know if they're going to be here today and gone tomorrow, as we have recently seen with a lot of these platforms. So the best thing that you can do, and I'm not a financial advisor or anything, but what I'm going to do is take back control of my investments, and in doing that, I'm going to change my financial destiny, and I hope to help you guys change yours as well. So what am I talking about? Well, if you are a person that is sick of investing your hard-earned money into these platforms only to have them rug pull after a couple days, and if you're looking for a way to grow your money exponentially more than any of these other high-yield platforms can even promise, then keep watching this, because I'm about to show you a way to build real wealth, not just make a quick buck from these platforms. And by building real wealth, you don't need any special skills, no special knowledge or anything. All you have to do is come with an open mind and be interested. If you're interested in trying something out for a few days and actually making a profit and trying it out for free before you even buy it, then stick around, because I'm going to show you how to change your financial destiny for the better, for good. And I am introducing you guys to 8-Minute Trader. 8-Minute Trader is a strategy. It is not a platform. It's a strategy that shows you guys how to trade. You don't need any knowledge, no previous knowledge of trading in the past. They will show you how to do everything. It's simple as clicking buttons. So if you know how to click buttons, then you'll know how to use the 8-Minute Trader. What is the 8-Minute Trader? Well, the 8-Minute Trader is what we do. We manually trade using the US 30 indices, and they target making anywhere between 1 and 20% daily, Monday through Friday, in less than 8 minutes a day. So like I said, it requires no previous trading background or knowledge to be successful. To make 1 to 20% a day, you don't need any previous knowledge. They have daily trade session Zoom calls at 9:15 a.m. EST, which is 6:15 a.m. PST. And if you're not available during those times, they do have a special software that you can trade throughout the day on your own, and it will give you an indicator. So it's an indicator software that tells you basically when to get in the market and when to get out. And you can use any Forex broker you like. So no more sketchy platforms, no more handing your money over to, these platforms that we don't know who they're run by. You can choose any broker you like, And if you don't have a broker, I am signed up with one that is very trustworthy. They've been around for a really long time and it's super easy to use. And I'd be happy to introduce you to it as well. And as I mentioned, they do have a scalping software that allows you to trade during the day, and you can actually 3x to 5x your daily earnings. I mean, people from this call on the 8-minute trader during the day, they make anywhere between 1 and 20%. So just imagine, lately, if you're really conservative, you can target like 3% a day during the morning call. And then just imagine 3xing to 5xing your daily earnings throughout the day with the scalping software. I mean, these platforms, some of these, high yield platforms are offering us like 3 to 5% a day. Well, just imagine being able to make 20% a day, not even having to give your money over to these platforms, being fully in control of your trades and your money. I mean, this is something that nobody has ever heard of before and is really going to revolutionize the trading industry itself. I mean, this is a screenshot of somebody's trading results. Just look at their monthly return. They made 138.6%. So people with no trading background experience at all have been making between 130 to 250% per month consistently for the past 6 months. Guys, these high yield platforms can't even compete with something like this because they don't even last for 6 days, let alone 6 months. I mean, this is insane, guys. I mean, most members who are joining the live call in the morning, they're making anywhere between 5 and 20% a day. I mean, that's insane. I mean, these are numbers that, these high risk platforms, they can't even give us, right? Because they're not actually doing any real trading like this, and you're doing this all on your own. Even though you don't have to have trading experience, the fact that you're showing up every day to do these live calls, you're going to have the opportunity to learn trading skills that are going to stay with you for the rest of your life. So I know some of you guys are skeptical, like, how can they make this much, every day? Well, the thing is that they have been using the strategy on their own for like several years now. And they got a group of people together, like kind of like a beta tester group. And they've been using the strategy for over 180 days. And they only have had 8 losing days. So this is crazy good, guys. I mean, this is something here. I mean, to be trading for over 180 days and only have 8 losing days, I mean, this is unheard of in the trading industry. So I bet you're wondering, like, are my funds safe? Well, yes, your funds are 100% safe because you get to choose your own broker account that you want to use. Or you can use the one that I'm using, and no funds will ever leave your account because you're the only one trading with them. Nobody can ever run off with your funds because you're the one, and you're the only one with access to your account and your funds. You're not putting it into some platform and hoping that they don't rug, all your funds are in your broker account and they're safe with you. And so, I know some of you guys are wondering, well, how legit is this program? The 8-minute trader program, it is a new financial product and it's being licensed and offered through a 25-year-old publicly traded company. It's one of the most stable companies of its industry, and they are offering it to us. And yes, there is a fee. So right now, if you get in this week and you start doing your trades, you can start making a profit. And you can start making money right off these morning calls. I mean, anywhere between 1 and 20%. It's really a try before you buy. But once they launch, and they're going to probably be launching next month in August, once they launch, it is a $5.99 one-time fee. And then every month after is a $1.99 fee. So that is not even that much. I mean, compared to what people are making every day. I mean, there's some people who are making thousands of dollars in just a couple seconds of being in the market, And And this publicly traded company, this 25-year-old publicly traded company, they wouldn't get involved in this unless it was 100% legit and clean. So you can be sure that, this 8-minute trader is backed by a very stable, long-standing company, and they wouldn't get into something if it was just a rug pull or just some fly-by-night thing. So if you are wanting something that works and gets results for years to come, and if you're wanting something completely safe, stable, and long-term, and if you're the type of person who's looking to exponentially grow your money and build real wealth, well, not having to give your money over to sketchy platforms anymore, then this might be the thing that you have been looking for. So how does an 8-minute trader work? Well, first you set up your broker account, and then you install the MT4 trading terminal, and then every day you hop on a live trading call during the week, 9:15 a.m. EST, 6:15 a.m. PST. And if you're unable to attend the call during this time, there will be other opportunities to trade throughout the day with their Scalper indicator software that you'll get access to. In fact, they will be demoing throughout the week the Scalper indicator software to help you make even more profit. So this is aside from the morning call. So after the morning call, you can go back on your Scalper software indicator, and it gives you alerts basically of when to buy or when to sell. And you can even set them up on your phone to get alerts throughout the day of when to get in. And that can help you just make so much more, even more than what you're making. 3 to 5x what you make during the live morning call. So how does the 8-minute trader work? Well, once you're on the call, you watch the expert trader make his trade. So this guy, his name's Coach Mo. He's been doing this for over 20 years. You basically just follow him. They trade the US 30 market open. So right when the market opens, they look to place a trade. And he tells you kind of, his thoughts, his psychology of what he's doing, of whether or not he's going to get into a buy or get into a sell. And so he'll tell you when he buys, and then right at the same time, you can place the same trade he does if you choose to. This is all at your own discretion. They're not forcing you to get into a trade. They're not saying that, you have to do it. This is at your own discretion. If you think that he's getting in and you don't want to get in, then you don't have to, and when he closes a trade, you can close yours too, or you can still hold on to that trade. It's completely up to you. But it's as simple as clicking a button on your account and just copying what he's doing. It's so simple. You don't need any trading background or knowledge or special inside knowledge or anything. Just follow his trades. And most of his trades only last for less than 30 seconds and then you're out. I've seen people profit anywhere between 1% and 20% a day. And these traders, these expert traders, they have been using this strategy for many years. So they have perfected it. They've created it into a science, basically. And so let me just show you some of their live trading session recordings really quickly.
On a few cost averages, I'm up about almost 1%. Let's see if we can get a little bit follow through here. Come on, Bears. Let's go. All right, this is looking pretty decent. Yeah, there we go, 1.5%. I'm just going to start closing a few of them. Just closed a few trades, and I just closed all my trades there. So I just closed all the trades at a 1.5% profit.
So that was a little preview of the morning live call with Coach Mo, and that is basically a typical trading session during the day. They're only in there for about a couple minutes before they get out and they make a profit. And they have been using this strategy for 180 plus days with their beta testing team, and they've only had 8 losing days, which is crazy good. So if you're interested in finding out more information about the 8-minute trader, getting involved on the live calls for free, and making a profit while it's still free, message me on Telegram and I'll get you all signed up. It's no cost at all. to you and get ready to make between 1 and 20% profit a day for free before deciding to even join. And, what other program really lets you profit big like this before you even buy? I mean, I can't think of anything. Most of these platforms these high yield platforms are forcing us to deposit our money before we even profit. And the 8-Minute Trader is letting us join the live calls every morning on Zoom, make a really nice profit before we even decide to join the program. So just keep in mind that this is the last week of free live calls before they launch. For those of you guys who are already in my Telegram channel, a lot of you guys have already signed up for the 8-Minute Trader and are already joining the live Zoom calls every day. So this is their last week of doing free live sessions. So if this is your first time hearing about the 8-Minute Trader right now, and if you want to take advantage of the free live calls and just get familiar with the program before you even think about joining, this is the time to do it. This is the day to do it. They are having a free live introduction call tonight at 5 p.m. PST. So if you guys are around tonight and you want to know more information, if you have questions about the program, message me on Telegram so I can send you the link for the free live call and I can get you signed up. And yeah, let me know if you're interested, because this is not going to be free for very long. They are planning on launching soon, but they want people who are interested to be able to make a profit, to be able to see what the strategy can do for them, for their lives. I mean, I really believe that the 8-Minute Trader is going to change a lot of people's lives in a good way. I mean, it's going to change your finances, your mindset, everything. And I am really excited about the 8-Minute Trader. I'm definitely going to be focusing more heavy on it in my channel. So if you're interested in joining, I mean, even if you're on the fence about it, message me on Telegram and I'll help you get set up, and you can check out the free live call tonight that they're having. And I don't want you guys to miss out on this. So be sure to join my Telegram channel too, because a lot of times I don't do videos on every single investment that I'm in. But if you're in my Telegram channel, you get to be the first to know about investments that I'm in, especially ones like these that are literally just life-changing opportunities. So the link for everything is in the description below, and I hope to hear from you guys soon.